Bethany Williams, current international business environment presentation. For my presentation, I will be discussing the Bayer-Monsanto merger. If Monsanto does not sound familiar to you, that is totally okay. You may recognize some of their products. Monsanto is an agricultural company that created the very first genetically modified seeds. Basically, they created seeds that are able to withstand diseases and pests, but do not reproduce. Therefore, farmers have to go back to them year after year to buy their seeds, thus creating a profit. Monsanto is in 69 different countries. They are a United States-based company, but however, they sell agricultural products worldwide, and they actually do extremely well. They have a huge market share. Bayer, as we all know, is the inventor of aspirin. They are a huge pharmaceutical science company. They are a German-based company founded in the 1800s. So it should not come as a surprise that Bayer is interested in getting into the agricultural sciences. Bayer is buying Monsanto for $66 billion. So with global population increasing, food shortages are inevitable, many people think. And the one way that people are saying to feed a huge amount of people is with genetically modified food. In the United States alone, genetically modified food represents 90% of corn, soybeans, cotton, sugar beets, and canola. Monsanto holds huge shares of these markets. And about 80% of U.S. corn and more than 90% of U.S. soybeans are grown with Monsanto's seeds. As you can see, Monsanto continues to put up record high numbers. Basically, their fiscal quarters are amazing, and so this is why Bayer is actually willing to buy them for so much. And then this is only, as we can see here, Monsanto is not just successful in the United States, but is a huge key player worldwide in the agricultural world. Many farmers do depend on them for all of their agricultural products, thus resulting in very nice financials for Monsanto. They continue year over year to increase profits and have really great outlook financially. And this is with them being such a large player in the agricultural world. So there is only 6 large agricultural chemical companies in the world right now, and with this merger, this obviously takes it down to even a smaller pool, which I found very interesting. However, there is some hurdles they will need to go through. So as we can see by the map, not every country allows genetically modified seeds or products or food. However, with that being said, they will still do extremely well in the future. This is basically the prediction for after the merger. So basically, Bayer will be taking the market share of the world as far as agricultural chemistry goes. This is just one major merger from this year. Here's just a few that have happened throughout the year, with ones that could happen with the AT&T and Time Warner merger. I think this is important to point out all of the major mergers that have happened throughout this year, just because at the beginning of this course we watched a video of Thomas Friedman letting us know how the world is flat. I wasn't convinced at first, but however, as I learn more about international business, I can see how the world is actually shrinking and becoming flatter with globalization. Well, thank you for watching my presentation. I really appreciate it, and let me know of any feedback. Thank you so much.